Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin, and have I ever got the sweetest promotional idea for you today? I'm going to be showing you Gemline's 100929-001 Modern Sprout Glass Tapered Hydroponic Grow Kit. What a mouthful, holy smokes, but it's worth it, man, because this is a wild promotion. So it's primarily made of glass. When I received it, I was a little worried, but I opened up that cardboard and there it was, beautifully bubble wrapped, completely protected, no scratches, no breakage, beautifully shipped by Gemline. Now, I pull the box out and gosh, it looks beautiful. Look at the job they've done of presenting this. Gorgeous front here, open side so you can see the beautiful vessel that it comes in, and then you get a little bit of instructions on the back just to let you know what you're getting, which is fabulous if you're receiving this as a gift. So let's open it up and actually check it out. So look at that beauty. It looks like a piece of furniture. It's going to look amazing in your windowsill while you're growing things. Do you even know what hydroponic is? Hydroponic is actually water, hydro, and ponic means system or technology. So we are going to use water to grow plants and herbs. Isn't that cool? Instead of planting that in soil and having to water it all the time. So this system is self-contained. It's beautiful. You can put it in a windowsill like I just said. You can use it in your house. You can use it 365 days a year, provided you get enough sunlight that comes into your house. How on earth do you use this product, Alex? I'm going to tell you. This product, as I said, is glass, beautiful glass, and it comes with a sieve on the inside in which we are going to grow our basil in this case. There are different varieties available that grow different herbs, but in this case, we're actually going to show you the basil version. On the inside of this package is what they call grow stones. This is actually the medium that we're going to use to grow our products. So we're going to dump this in the sieve, and I'll talk to you about that in a couple of seconds. In addition to that, we've got all kinds of beautiful contents. We have Genovese basil seeds, we've got plant fertilizer, we've got awesome instructions, we've got activated carbon, and my gosh, we've even got a cocoa pellet. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be a pro gardener and know what all of these things are all about. This is the sieve in which we are going to grow our basil. It has a wick that comes out of it, and the wick is going to absorb the water from our glass vessel over here so that we can actually grow our plants. Nice and easy, right? So what we'll do is we'll drop this in the vessel. We're going to take our grow stones and we're actually going to dump them in here all around that wick. Okay, that's the first step. Nice and easy so far. Grow stones are actually made out of recycled glass. They are highly absorbent, which is perfect for absorbing water so that we can grow our basil. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to take this cocoa pellet. This cocoa pellet is actually made of coconut fibers, and what happens is when you put it on top of the grow stone and add a little bit of water, it expands almost instantly. It is the only soil that we will need in order for our seeds to germinate, that tiny little piece of soil, which is awesome. So we're going to put that on top, water it, watch it expand, and move it to the side with our fingers. The next step is we're going to add activated carbon. Why would we do that, and what is carbon? What does it do? So what carbon does is it's actually fantastic in removing the impurities from the soil. It's also fantastic in removing odor and removing any mold, and it also repels insects at the same time. So fantastic. We're going to add that right on top of our mixture over there. And then the next thing we're going to do is take these Genovese basil seeds, which are non-GMO and organic, I should add, and we're going to put those on top of the cocoa soil. And then we're going to push them slightly underneath because basil likes to be under the soil as it germinates. So we do that, no problem. We're ready to rock and roll. We're going to pour a little bit of water on there, and then we are going to mix a solution with our plant food. We're going to lift this out, and we're going to fill this container with water. We're going to drop this back in so the wick can absorb the water and bring it up to our solution and feed our growing basil plants. How easy is that? I don't have to water it every day. I just watch it grow in direct sunlight. So simple. I love it. Now, if after a couple of days you run out of water, easy. You lift this, you mix some more solution, you pour it in, and you walk away for a few more days, and again, you are laughing. Now, why do I love this product so much? Why am I bringing it to your attention? Because historically, I've gone to golf tournaments and I've had my eye on the hoodie. I've had my eye on the watch. I've had my eye on the t-shirts. But these days, I'm looking for more eco-friendly products. I'm looking for products that I can use with love with my family. So if I'm growing a beautiful basil plant over here, I can use it to make pesto. I can use it to make a beautiful pasta. And as I'm eating dinner with the family, I'm thinking of the person or the corporation that gave me this wonderfully terrific gift. I absolutely love it. So it's relatively inexpensive. You can take that basil once it grows, you can replant it, and then use this hydroponic system again to grow sage, to grow lavender, to grow more basil, or whatever you want to grow in it. And then, again, I get to use this year after year after year, and every time I do, and every time I look at this unit, I am thinking beautiful thoughts about the people or the corporations that gave it to me. For all of those reasons, I love this product, plus the fact that I can brand it with a beautiful logo on the front, center, I can do it near the top, or I can do it near the bottom. Such a marvelous, marvelous idea for a promotional giveaway. Hey, listen, I'm Alex from Promonoise. I'm so thankful that you're watching our video reviews. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you love what you're hearing, share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues. I'm sure they'd be interested to know my take on some of the most advanced and coolest and groundbreaking promotional products in the industry today. I'm Alex, and I want to thank you very much. I will see you again next time.